Next in CSS, we are going to create this Google page. So we'll start with this navigation bar. So to create this navigation bar, first of all, we'll create a div to which we are assigning a class nav. And in that nav div, we are going to create two more divs. One div will be holding this part, other div will be holding this part. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section we are creating a div to which we have assigned a class nav, and within this nav div we have to create two more divs. So div, and here class is n1, which will be holding left portion, and second class we have to design second div class equals to n2, and this is our second div. Now in head section we are giving style tag, and within this style tag, first of all I'm removing all the margins and paddings. Here box sizing to border box, font family, font, uh, font family, we are using this Arial, and here we are giving overflow to hidden. Next we have created this nav class. So here we are designing this class dot nav. This is our class, and here in this nav class, first of all we are giving it a width of 100%. Height here we are giving it as 48 pixels. We don't need border, but right now we are giving border of 1 pixel, solid black. Save it. Next we want that whatever we put inside this navigation bar should come in a same line. So for that, here we are giving display property to flex, justify content to space evenly, and align items to center. Save it. So this is our main navigation bar. In this navigation bar, we have created two more divs to which we have assigned class n1, which will be holding this, and n2 will be holding this. So here to this nav bar, I'm giving position to relative. Here I'm giving to relative. So to n1 and n2 will be giving position as absolute. Save it, and right now our page is looking like this. So this is our navigation bar. We have got this border. We are going to remove it later. So in this navigation bar, we have to give, first we are going to design this part, which will be in n1 div. So here we have created n1 div, and here I'm creating n1 class dot n1, and here I'm giving, right now I'm not doing anything in this n1 class, we'll do it later. First of all, we are going to design this inner part, that means these text we have to give. So for that, in n1 div we are going to create paragraph, and in that paragraph we are giving this, and the color of text we have to give black. So style equals to color to black. And here we have to give about. Same thing we have to do for second text. And, and here we have to just store. Save it. And our page is looking like this right now. So we have got it here. Now we have to bring this text and this text in same line. For that, in N1 class, we have to give display property to flex. Align items to center. Save it. And now text is in same line. Now we have to move this text to left side. So to parent to nav we have given position to relative. So here we can give position as absolute. And here I'm giving you left margin of 20 pixels. So text is here. Now here to give a little space in between, here we are designing. We are giving paragraph tag. Here we are giving padding of 10 pixel. And margin left. Here we are giving it as 15 pixels. Save. So text has got a little space in between. Now we need to remove this underline. So for that, here we are giving anchor tag. Text decoration to none. And beside that, we want the color of text is black, which we have already given here, so we can put it here as well. Color black. Here we have given, so we are removing it from here. Save it. And right now our page is looking like this. This one. Next, we want that whenever we hover over these links, it should get an underline, because here we are getting underline when we are hovering over the text. So here we have to give hover effect to our links. And here we want that text decoration to be underlined in black. Save it. Now whenever we are hovering over it, our text is getting underlined. Now we have to create this part. So here for that we have created a class N2. So this is our N2 class. Now in this N2 class we have to again give paragraph tag. In that will be given anchor tag. So here this is our N2, and here I'm just copying it. And here instead of about we have to give Gmail and images. Save. And our page is looking like this. Now we have to move it that side, right side. Plus we want that both of these tags should come in same line. For that to and2 class which we have created in our style. Here I'm giving display to flex, justify content. Here we are using last baseline and align items to center. This thing is going to bring both of those text in same line. Now we have to move it right side. So here we have to this nav we have given position relative. Here we can give position to absolute. So here I'm giving position absolute, and here we are giving right margin to be 20 pixels. Save. So our text has reached its right side. Now we have to give this image and we have to give this button. So for that, here after image link, we are creating one button class equals to, here I'm giving it a name bt and 1, and here in head section within style tag we are creating this bt and 1 class, and here we are giving style to it. So background color here we are using is white. This button doesn't need border, but right now we are giving border of 1 pixel, solid black, width of 40 pixel, height is also 40 pixel, border radius circular in shape, so here I'm giving 50%, margin right, margin from its right margin from its contents is 10 pixel. Now this button is in the form of link, so here we have to give href equal to within double quotes hash, and here we have to give our image. So img src equals to name of my images, uh, compact.png. Next we have to set its style, that we are going to give its width. Here I'm giving it a width of 20 pixels and height is also 20 pixels. Save it, and right now our web page is looking like this. So we have got our button. Next we have to give this sign in button. So here after this we are going to create one more button, to which I'm giving a class of bt and 2, and here within head section here we have to give its text, and its text is in the form of link, so ahref equals to within double quotes, and here we have to put sign in, save it, and in head section we have to give style for this button too. So here it is dot bt and 2, Here we are giving border radius 100 pixel. Then background color, here we are giving it is hash. Width is 80 pixel. Min height 40 pixel. Font size 14 pixel. Font weight, here we are giving it as 500. Now this button has no outline, so outline to none. Save it. Our page is looking like this. Now we have to remove its border as well. So here we are getting border to none. Color of text, here we want it to be white. Save it, and it is looking like this. Refresh it. It hasn't changed the color of text, so here we have to give its color in its link, hyperlink. So here we have to put style equals to color to white. Save. Now text color is also white. Here we have to refresh it. Text color is white. Next, here we have to give hover effect, like whenever we are moving our cursor over it, its background color is changing. Here also on this button too, whenever you are moving, its background color is changing. So we have taken this under button 1 and button 2. So for button 1 and button 2, we have to give hover effect. So dot btn1 and hover. Whenever we hover our mouse over it, its background color should change to hash F3, and this transition should take place in zero point 0.5 seconds. Now here we are removing border from this button. Here we are giving border to none, and outline is also none, we are saying. Save it. Now this is our page. Whenever we are hovering over it, its background color is changing. Now we have to do for this. So this is under button 2. So here dot btn2 and hover effect we are putting. So whenever we are hovering over button 2, its background color change to hash 1369 F5. Save, and so when I am moving our cursor over, its background color is changing. Now we have to remove this border of this navigation bar. So here in nav class we have given border. So we are removing this border. Save. So this is our navigation bar of our Google page. Now we have to put this image. So to put that image here, we are creating one more div. After this nav div, after closing of this nav div, div class equals to, here I'm giving it a name image. image1. This is the name of class. Now we want to put that image in the center. So here I'm giving style equals to display to flex. Then justify content to center and align items to center. This is going to put that image in the center. And within this div, that is image1 class div, we are putting that image. So to put that image, our code is img src equals to, here we have to put name of that image, and my image name is i.webp. So this is our image. We have to set its width and height. So right now it is looking like this. It's too big, so we have to reduce its size. So here I'm giving style equals to, within double quotes, width. Here I'm giving it is 200 pixel. Height to 150 pixel. So this is our image. Now we have to give top margin to this image. So margin top. Here we are giving it as 20 pixel. So this is our image. Um, Here we can give alternative text to the image in case if it is not displayed for some reason. Save it. So we have put our image at right place. Next we have to give this text box. So to put the text box here, we are creating a div to which we are assigning a class text box 1. This is the name of our class. Now we want that text box should be in the center of our browser screen. So style equals to display to flex, justify content to center, and align items to center. This is going to put that text box in the center of our browser screen. And here we need to give top margin, otherwise it will stick to that image. So here I'm giving margin top, and here we have taken margin top as 20 pixels. So here also we are giving it 20 pixels. Later on we can change if it is not matching with our Google page. Now within this text box 1 class, we have to create three more divs. One for that magnifying glass, second for this text box, and third for this mic and this camera. So for that here I'm creating three more divs. Div class equals to, first is search box, outside this div. Second is div class equals to, second class I'm naming it as text txt1. In this we'll be creating our text box, and our third class is mic Now in search box there we have to put that image from font, sorry, icon from our font awesome. So here we have to go for search icon. This is a search icon. Copy the code and paste it within this div class search box. Save it, and right now our page is looking like this. So we got our icon. Now we have to set its width, height, and all. So before that we are going to put that text box. So here within this div class text one, here I'm giving input type equals to, this is going to create our text box. We'll give style and all later. And within mic we have to give that mic image. So here within font awesome we have to search for mic. We are using this icon. Select the code, copy the code and paste it within that div. Save, and right now our page is looking like this. So we got this image, our text box and mic. Now we have to first, here we are going for input box. So here we have given input type equals to text. Now here I'm giving style to it. Style equals to, and here I'm setting it a width of 453 pixel. Height here I'm giving it as 46 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid black. So instead of black we have to give different color because here we have different color border for this text box. So here we are giving solid hash, and its color is, this is will be the color of border of text box. Then outline here we have to set as none. Save it, and our text box is looking like this. So here is our search icon. Here we have got our microphone, and this is our text box to which we have given border of 1 pixel solid EB. Now here we have to give style to our search icon. So here we'll go to dev class search box, and here we have to set its style. Style equals to, here I'm giving it a width of 47 pixel, height of, here to text box we have given height 46 pixels. So here also we'll be giving 46 pixel. Then we have to give padding, and it is 15 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid hash, same as our text box. Then here we can see that this top left corner and bottom left corner are little round in shape. So here we have to give border, bottom left radius, and here I'm giving it as 20 pixel. Similarly, border, bottom right radius, and it is same, that is 20 pixel. Save it, and our page is looking like this right now. Refresh it. It's not showing us the border. Reason for that is here we haven't put the 1 pixel. 1. Save it, and refresh it. We have got something wrong here. So here we have given border bottom left radius, and border, not bottom, top right radius. Save, and it is looking like this right now. Instead of right, here it should be top left. Save, and our page is looking like this. Now we have to remove this border. So in input box, here we have to remove border. So here within style we have to give border left to none, and the border right to none. Save, and our page is looking like this. Still we are getting border here. So to in search box, class, here we have to give border right to none. We have already done this in text box. Now we are doing it in this search box. So border right to none. Save it, and our page is looking like this. Now we have to do same thing here as well. So here we have given mic. We have created mic class. In mic class we have to put style equals to, now here we have to give its width. Here we are giving it a width of 84 pixel, because we have to put camera as well here within the same div. Height of 46 pixel, padding of 15 pixel. Now here also we have to give curvy effect to our border. So here it will go like this, right top and bottom. So here we have to give border right, border top right radius, and here we are giving it 20 pixel, and bottom right radius to be 20 pixel. Next we have to give border, because right now we haven't given border. So border to be 1 pixel, solid, hash, same as of text box and search box. And here We have to remove this thing because our page right now is looking like this. So we have to remove this line. So here we are giving border left to none. Save it, and our page is looking like this. Now we have to put camera as well. One more thing we are going to do here is we have to put box sizing to border box. Next we have to put camera image. So here we'll go to font awesome, and here we'll search for camera. Select the picture, copy the code and paste it after mic. So here after microphone, save it, and our image is looking like this. Now here our both icons are coming together. So here I'm giving in microphone, we are giving margin, right. So here within microphone, here we have to put style equals to margin right to here I'm giving 5 pixel. Save it. Beside this we have to change the color of it also, because here our color is different. So here I'm changing it to light gray. So color I'm giving here is gray. Save, and it is looking like this. It has changed to gray in shape. Same thing we have to do for our magnifying glass. So here in magnifying glass we have to go style equals to color to gray, and for camera also we have to do the same thing. So style equals to color to gray. Save, and our page is looking like this. Now we have to increase distance in between these two items. So here also in camera we are giving, here we have already given margin right. So in camera we can give margin left to, I'm giving here 15 pixel. We'll change it later if needed. So they are in their place. Next we have to create these two buttons. So for that we are creating one more div, to which I have assigned a class button. Now within this div we need to center those buttons. So here we can use center. Here input type equals to submit, and here we have to give value, and here it is Google search. Again we have to do same thing for second button, and here we have to put value feeling lucky. So we have created two buttons. Now save it and refresh your page. So we have got two buttons here. Now these buttons are sticking to this text box. So we need to give top margin here. So here in button class, div class buttons, we have to provide style equals to margin top, and here we are giving margin of 20 pixels. Save. Now we have to give formatting to these buttons. So these are submit buttons. So here in head section within style tag, input type equals to within double quote submit, background color, here it is F8, F9 and F0, F8. Then border to 1 pixel solid, and here again it is F8, F9, F8. Then border radius, here it is 4 pixel. Color of text, here we want it to be hash. Then font family, Arial sans serif. Then font size, here we are giving font size of 14 pixel. Margin, here we are giving this 11 pixel and 4 pixel. Padding to 0 and 16 pixel. Line height, here we can give line height of 27 pixel. Then height of that button, here we are giving it is 36 pixel. Then min width, here it is 54 pixel. Text align to be in center, and cursor in the form of pointer. Save it and refresh. So these are our buttons. Now we have to give hover effect to these buttons. So for that, again here we have to give input type equals to within double quotes submit, and here we have to give hover effect. So hover, then here we have to give background color to hash This is our background color, then border to 1 pixel, solid, then color of text is hash 202124, and last we have to give box shadow, and here it is 0 1 pixel 1 pixel RGBA, and within bracket again 0 0 0 and 0.1. Save it and refresh. So now whenever we are hovering over these buttons, you can see that these have got hover effect. Next we have to create this. So here we can see that this is not a hyperlink, and these languages are hyperlinked. So to create this, we'll create one more div class equals to, I'm naming this class as text txt, and within this you can see here that all these things are in the center. So here to bring all these content in center, I'm using center tag. Now within this center tag, here we can see that first, this text is not a link. Google offered an, so here we can use directly, we write it directly like this. Now after this, links are starting, so we can put these links in span, and within this span we are going to create all the links. So here we have created all the links. Save it and refresh. So these are our links. Now we can increase the space in between these buttons and these links. So here we have to provide margin top. So style equals to margin top, and here we are giving it 20 pixels. Save it, and so these are our links. Next we have to do these things. Now we have to create this bar. So for this we're using div class equals to, here I'm giving it a name footer1, and within this, now here we have to give style as well. Style equals to background color of this bar. Here I'm choosing color hash f2 f2 f2, then height. Here on that height of this bar should be 40 pixel. Then margin top, otherwise it is going to stick with those buttons. So here it is 120 pixel. We'll change it if it's not according to that page. Then border 1 pixel, solid. Now here within this div we have to give paragraph tag, to which we are applying style equals to margin left, and here it is 30 pixel, and here we have to give our text. Save and refresh. So this is our first bar. Now we have to create the second bar. So here in second bar all these are links. So again we are going to use div. So div class equals to footer2, and here again we have to provide style. It is same style, so we are copying it. Now here we can see that here we have text in left side as well as right side. So within this div, that is in footer2, we are going to create two more divs, that is left for this part and right for this part. So here div class equals to left. This is going to hold these text, and div class equals to right, which is going to hold right side text. Now here we can see that these links are this text is in the form of link, so we have to create link. So here we have to give ahref equals to within double quotes. Here I'm giving hash, then style equals to margin left, because this text is not sticking to left border, so here we are giving margin left. So it is 20 pixel, and the color of text is black. And here we have to provide our text, that is advertising. Same thing we have to do for second link. And here we are going to change the text, business and how search works. So these are our links. Save it and refresh. Now we can see here that these links are touching the top border of our div. So here we can give margin top, with 10 pixel. Same thing we are doing for each and every link. Save. Now we have to create the right side. So right side also it will go like this. So here and we have to provide style equals to display flex, justify content to end, and align items to center. Now here we have to provide links. So here it is the privacy terms and settings. So we are going to copy these links only. And here it is going to be privacy. then is terms and settings. Save it. So these are our links. Save it and refresh it. So we have got our links here. So this is our Google page.